Channel. Almost everything Jimin touches in his career, be it in terms of songwriting, composing, producing or performing, turns into gold. For example, his first ever self-written and composed song, Promise, broke the 24-hour streaming record on SoundCloud and earned a Guinness World Record and currently holds another Guinness World Record as the most streamed song of all time on the platform. His solo song, Lie, from BTS, Wings, album credited him as a writer and composer, and it became a rite of passage for rookie idols to perform it as a way to prove their dance and performance skills in general, because Jimin's performance of the song is held to such a high standard in the K-pop industry. His first ever self-produced song, Friends, was selected as a soundtrack for a movie Eternals, by one of Hollywood's biggest film producers, Marvel Studios. Prior to this, both Friends and Filter had been nominated for Song of the Year award at the 10th Gaon Music Awards in 2020. Making Jimin the first and only BTS member to have songs that he has individually worked on either as a producer or a performer be nominated for this major award category in any award show in the country. His OST, With You, with Ha Sungwoon was his first official project as a solo artist, and it also earned nominations for Song of the Year and Best OST at the 2022 Mama Awards. Evidently, as earlier stated, everything that Jimin touches is a guaranteed hit and success. Recently, the full list of the nominees for the 2023 Mama Awards was announced, with the awards show set to be held at the Tokyo Dome over 2 days on November 28 and 29. The list of nominees was highly diverse, from older and more experienced artists like EXO, Twice, and BIGBANG's Taeyong to new and promising groups like New Jeans, IVE, and Les Serafim. Out of all the nominees, though, there's one that stands out as the artist with the most nominations in total at the awards show, BTS's Jimin. As a soloist, Jimin has received a total of 8 nominations, which makes him tied with TXT in that regard. However, if you also include the nominations that BTS as a group have earned, his total is actually 13. Between his debut solo album, Face, its title track, Like Crazy, and his collaboration with Taeyong for the song, Vibe, Jimin is nominated for 6 different categories at the awards show. The 6 categories he's nominated for include Artist of the Year, Album of the Year, Song of the Year, which he's nominated for twice Best Male Artist, Best Collaboration, and Best Dance Performance Male Solo, which he was also nominated for twice. This list means he's also nominated for 3 Day Songs, the most prestigious awards given at the Mama Awards. Fans are ecstatic for Jimin's well-deserved nominations, and understandably so. He has earned these nominations mostly with his solo debut album, Face, and lead single, Like Crazy, 6 of the 8. Notably, Jimin actively participated in the writing and producing of his entire solo debut album, and the fruits of his high-quality work can yet again be seen. Fans could not be more proud of their idol for the recognition he has earned for his hard work. Congratulations, Jimin. What do you think? Write in the comments section. See you in the next video.